Okay, we're live.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to this exciting training call today. By the way, this is our free training session that we host every single Friday for our special customers just like you. And I would like to thank everybody who made it to the call today and who's joining in right now. We're super excited to bring this training to you. And every week, I'm just going to give you a brief of what we do. So on every Friday, we take the major and most important questions our customers have been asking, and we do a training call on that. So recently in our Facebook group, there's been a lot of requests on how to create AI music videos, right? So that's the kind of training we put together today for you. So we have some amazing information coming. We're going to show you step by step. This is not just a brief overview of how to create 5-minute video, how to create music videos. This is going to be in depth. It's going to show you every trick in the book to create the best kind of videos possible so you can get the best results. So let's just get some things out of the way, right? So first things first, I want you all in the chat here to join our Facebook group, right? So our Facebook group is with over 67,000 members at the moment. And every single day, let me just refresh this page right now. So every single day, people share their creations. We share our, all the training videos that we do every week are posted right here on the top. So if you miss some training, you can go back and you can check into different training videos right there, okay? And the second thing, our customers, they share their videos every single week, okay? So you can see exactly what people are doing right now, what kind of videos they are creating, and what kind of videos are working. So when we're doing things on our own, it's a great thing when we do our own research, but it takes a long time, right, to get the best results. And if you really want to do a good job and get results from our videos that we create, make sure that time that we spend on creating that videos is valuable. You really have to put in that time to research and see what's working at the moment, right? So you see one of the customers here, they were selling something that they created with one of our apps in Etsy or something, and they got their first sale. So they reported that here. So you can see a lot of case studies, right? So there are 78 comments on this post. So people are asking how did you do it? Please share your results and so on. So everybody gets to see what other people are doing, and you can replicate the results, right? Generally, we don't know what's going on, what works, what people are doing to get sales and all that. So it's a beautiful way to interact with the community and get some ideas and so on. So people are also sharing their YouTube channels. So you can go into the YouTube channels and see what they're doing. You see this is a kids channel that this customer has created and so on. So every single person who's not in our Facebook group, join our Facebook group right now. It's free to join. There's no payments or anything like that. So it's just a beautiful resource to stay up to date with all the AI news, all the AI technologies, and what people are doing right now at the moment to create videos. So this is a perfect transition right here. So I just wanted to show this video as well. You see some person who created a music video and posted it onto our YouTube, our Facebook group, right? So there were over 100 likes to this post and 39 comments, right? So if you look at the comments, everybody is asking, can you make a short guide and show us how to create this video, right? So that's exactly what we're going to do. So every week we check our Facebook group. They're all our support staff, all our admins are in this group. So every week we read your comments, we check your videos, we see what everyone is doing. And we take your feedback, by the way. This is we want to build a community and a platform where customers can share their ideas and a team behind it who actually takes those ideas and implements it to our apps. And as you're aware, none of our apps have monthly fees, right? So we take a lot of time to please our customers, by the way. So every week we have to come in here and do training webinars that are 2-hour long and so on, right? So we have to dedicate time for that. And we like to interact with customers on a whole. Our company objective is to interact with customers and implement the strategies that they're recommending and so on. So they get the best apps at the best prices without any monthly fees and so on, right? So without further ado, let's just get started, right? So first things first. So the topic for today is creating AI music videos. So who's here on this call? So I'm Siddhiwar. I'm the co-founder of VideoExpress, Artistly, and many of the other AI apps that you see in the description box. And I have with me Ali, who's one of our training coordinators in our company. So each week you'll see Ali on the training calls as well, right? So thank you, Ali, for being here. So we're going to get started, right? So first, two questions. Let's just address the two main questions, right? So AI music videos. First of all, why do you need to create AI videos? Second of all, are people getting results with these kind of videos? And the third question is, how do you create these kind of videos, right? So those are the three questions we are going to address. And we're going to take you through step by step so you can see the entire process from research to creating these videos step by step to publishing them and what kind of results other people are getting and so on. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so first, before we do anything else, let's see the type of videos some of our customers have created, right? So let's do that. So if you look here, this is one of our customers. Share my screen in a different way so you can listen to the audio as well. So let me just share this again. And I'll share the screen again so you can see exactly what's going on here. So, okay. Can everyone see my screen now? Okay, perfect. So let's play this video and see the different types of cinematic scenes the person has created. And this is one of our customers, by the way. This video is also on our Facebook group. I'm just showing you a demo. See how detailed and professional this video looks.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just...
So that was one of the videos, right? So let's see another video now. Let's see one more video. So just for this platform here, just so that audio works, I have to do this screen sharing again and again so you guys can hear the audio as well. See how natural the movements look?
I just wanna be happy. I just wanna be happy. Wouldn't change a single thing. I just wanna be happy.
So that was another example right there, right? So I can keep on showing you these kind of examples. There's so many of them in our group that people are creating, by the way. And the number one problem that people face when creating videos is consistent characters, right? So you have to make sure the main lead in your video is standard throughout the storyline, right? So that's one of the hardest things to achieve is consistent characters. So what we have done in VideoExpress is we have mastered the art of creating videos with consistent characters, right? So many of our customers have tested this and they've created beautiful videos with the characters being consistent throughout the video. I'm going to show you an example right away. But see how professional that video looks. It looks like a video that was recorded with a camera, right? It doesn't look like an AI.
Through the dark. Wounds don't steal her shine. They polish her over time. She ain't ashamed of what she's seen. Healing made her She ain't asking for.
Yeah. So as you can see, the video, it looks like it was shot by a professional camera, right? It doesn't look like an AI generated video if you look at it closely. So unless you're nitpicky and you search every little detail, it's super professional and produced by AI, right? So a lot of our customers are doing this kind of work, which is so beautiful and amazing. And what AI can achieve these days is just beautiful, by the way. So now that I've shown you some customer examples, and by the way, all these examples are accessible on our Facebook group, right? So if you go to the recent media and click see all, and if you sort by videos right here, oh, you can't see the screen. So let me just share my screen again. Okay. Yeah. So you just go into our group right here. And if you go into like the recent media tab right here, and you click see all, and then you sort by video, you can see all the customer videos that have been posted here. So all the examples I just showed you are all customer examples that you can find in our group as well. Okay. So one other example I want to show you before, so you can see the type of consistency that can be achieved by the app, right? What our customers are doing are creating consistent characters. And you search any other AI app in the market, the number one thing that people complain about is character consistency. And if you're getting really good character consistency without paying any monthly fees, that's just gold. We optimize the system very nicely so that we can get powerful, consistent characters throughout the entire scene. So you can create a full-fledged movie with like the same character, so on. Okay, so I'm gonna play another video right now, which shows you like the consistent characters as well. Okay, so let me just go back right here and just share the screen. So, okay, perfect. So this is a video created by one of our customers who tested the consistent character feature. So this lady will be consistent throughout the video, right? In different scenes and so on. So just so you can get a idea that you can use the same character throughout the video. And this character can be you as well. It can be any character AI generated, or you as well if you have a high quality image that the AI can train on. So let's play this video. So as you can see, the character stays really consistent throughout, and the face looks very similar to the original image, right? So you can do a lot of optimizations here. You can improve your prompts and so on to make the video even better. But just an example of what a customer quickly put together with consistent character feature that we have in our app. So the beautiful thing is you don't have to worry about consistency and so on. You can have the confidence that VideoExpress and many of our other apps like Artistly, they have the consistent character feature built into the app itself. Okay, so that's one thing I wanted to stress about, because you search anywhere on Google, any YouTube tutorial on AI, the number one thing that people complain is that the consistent character feature is lacking in many of the apps. Okay, so we took our customer suggestions and so on, and we made sure that the consistent character feature works well in our apps. Okay, so that's one of the things I want to mention. So now that we have seen what people have created, let's go to the second question. Why create AI music videos? Okay, so why create it? Okay, so the first thing here is, with the new AI revolution, people are creating different styles of videos, right? In all our training videos that we recently did, we covered a lot of different styles of videos you can create. For example, in the previous webinars, we covered how you can create like kids songs, kids videos with like cartoon characters and 3D characters and so on, Disney style videos, right? So you can go back and check some of our previous training for that. in this video, we're showing how to create music videos, right? So ultimately, our goal every week is to show you the different ways you can use AI to monetize your content, right? So you can create content for your own company, or you can create content for your YouTube channel, or you can create content for TikTok and so on, and promote your product. You can create product holding videos like this, where the model is holding the product and like talking a message. It's all built into the app, okay? It's all built into the VideoExpress app that you can use to create videos. Now, the lips can be closed, by the way. Someone was asking in the chat. So the lips can be closed, or you can give it an audio to create. So the model can just be holding, waving the bottle, and doing different actions and so on. So you can do anything. The possibilities are limited. It's all based on your prompt, right? So you can see the beautiful examples in our Facebook group, by the way. So why create these AI videos? So with AI revolution, you either catch up with the trends or you perish, right? So the thing is, like when internet came, a lot of people, tried different avenues to make money with the internet, right? So many of you here are like online entrepreneurs and so on, and even us, we create apps, and we have customer base and so on. So we are all online entrepreneurs, right? And we're trying to really leverage the internet to make money out of it. So what is the biggest trend at the moment? AI, right? So you have to figure out different ways on how to utilize AI to make money with it, right? So ultimately, this is one of the ways you can use AI to monetize your content, right? So now, are these kind of videos being monetized by YouTube? And are people really getting subscribers with these kind of AI music videos? So I just wanted to show you some examples. And these are examples I found in like just a few minutes of research, right? So this is one of our customer, by the way, who created this. You can see how professional and beautiful that is. So there are literally like some examples of created videos, okay, with video. Okay, so then let's look at some of the other examples, right? So here, so if you look at it, check this channel, right? It's just like a AM music video channel. I just want to show you the possibilities that are there in the market at the moment, okay? And these videos can be created by VideoExpress or any one of our other apps as well, okay? So here, if you look at this channel right here, they have 214 videos, all singing style videos, where the character is singing. And if you look at the videos tab, they have different styles of music videos that they created with, like, cinematic scenes and stuff that I just showed you that is possible with the app as well, right? So you can see all this is a music video channel. So all they're doing is putting AI clips together and creating videos. And also they're creating shots with like different style models singing the song, right? So if you can see here, 279,000 subscribers, okay? So just AI channel, and then they mention AI in the title of the channel as well, okay? So that's the, you can see already that these kind of channels have really become successful and getting results as well. If you look at the top videos that these guys posted, 20 million views, 16 million views, 13 million views, so and so on. So the ultimate goal why I'm showing you this is to show you what is possible, right? So you can create these kind of videos now with VideoExpress app and so on. And these kind of videos now, as you can see, are really converting, and people are getting subscribers as well as views, okay? So let's look at some other channels, right? So let's look at this AI music TV, right? Let's look at this guy. Let's look at some of his popular videos. 600,000 views, 99,000 views, 71,000 views. And you see how basic and simple the video is. It's just like a person singing on the mic. So it's just an easy way so you can see the possibilities of what you can create with VideoExpress. And some of our customers have already done this and posting videos into our Facebook group. So this guy has 14 videos and already 3,000 subscribers and so on. So these kind of videos are working well. So let's look at some more examples. Dreamfort AI. So this guy is the same, like a person holding a guitar and singing a song, right? So we're going to show you exactly how you can create these kind of videos, by the way, in just a few minutes. I'm just showing you why you can focus on this niche, and it's hot right now. Like, so I just wanted to show you the possibilities. Okay, so So this is one of the videos. This person has a few videos. They're getting pretty good views and so on. Okay, one other channel, another example. See how the videos are pretty good views and how they're using different models, different singers and so on. So there are hundreds of channels like this, and I just did a basic research on YouTube saying AI music, and I found all these channels, right? That's the way you need to do research. First things first, when you're launching something new, a new channel and so on, you need to understand if those videos are actually doing well online. And doing a little bit of reasoning and research can really get you a long way. So here, right in front of you, I'm showing you so many different channels that are doing really well and getting a lot of views, posting simple AI-generated videos of AI songs, right? So let's look at another example. You look at this guy, same thing, like 256,000 subscribers and so on, popular videos, 18 million views and stuff. So it can be a male model, a female model, any age group. You see how they're getting different types of views. So that's the reason you may focus on it. Maybe it's not your passion, you don't have to, but it is what is possible with AI. Our job here is to show you all the different avenues you can use our app to create these kind of videos. And the second thing, what's really working in AI at the moment, so you can monetize your AI content, right? It doesn't matter where you create your videos. You can maybe create our videos in our app, or you can create it in some other app. But it's just an information database like we are sharing with you of what we see in the market at the moment, okay? So another channel as well, like, they just started 19 videos and so on. You can see already they're getting 23,000 views, 19,000 views, 14,000 views, and so on. So now we're going to go in the next step. We're going to show you how you can create these kind of videos from scratch using our VideoExpress app. Okay, so that's that. Now we covered the type of videos customers are creating already in our Facebook group, where they're creating amazing music videos. And we have also seen now examples that these kind of videos are really get a lot of clicks. Okay. So TikTok, Instagram. So that's what I wanted to cover here. Why you should create AI videos and the type of videos people are already creating. Now Ali will go and he will show you how you can create these videos from scratch, step by step, using our VideoExpress app. And VideoExpress app, by the way, right now, if I go to VideoExpress.ai, you'll see that we don't charge any monthly fees for our app. And if you go to Google anywhere else, all the other apps charge you a monthly fee. And all the other apps have watermarks. They'll tell you it's a free plan, you can create videos, AI videos, and so on. But they'll put a big watermark, the video is not usable, right? Or in the basic plan, they'll tell video is not for commercial purposes and so on. So literally you can create those videos, but you can't use it for anything else. But with our pricing, it's just a one-time price and there's no monthly fees, and you can create videos without the subscription costs and all that. Okay, so right now we have a 10% discount on VideoExpress.ai, and it's secret 10 for 10% off. So if you want it, you can get it. And if you can do your own research online, you can go to Google and search for it and so on, right? So literally you'll see all of the apps out there have a monthly fee. So if you want to use another app, you're welcome to do it. If you want to use our app, you can use it. But this is what we have on offer. And I think this is one of the best offers available online. And not just that, weekly training webinars for customers. We have a huge Facebook group, which, you can join and you can really see what customers are creating right now and so on, right? So it's just a entire ecosystem where you can really get ideas from other customers and succeed. Not with many of the other apps, you pay a subscription fee, you're limited by credits and so on, and you don't even get the training. You're literally in your own, you have to learn the app. And if you want to send a suggestion, like I want this feature in the app, nobody listens to you, right? Like you have to send a support ticket and you're done. Like in our Facebook group, we are listening to your suggestions, we are answering your questions right off the bat, and we are doing training webinars, which are free, by the way. I don't see any other person in the market who offers this kind of feature, okay? So Many of the other apps, they'll offer you 20 videos or something like that for $29, $39, $49 monthly fee, okay? With us, it's just a one-time payment, and you can create videos. So that's what I wanted to give you. So secret 10 right now if you want to get 10% off. So I'll pass it on to Ali right now, who will take you to step by step. And we value all your time. Thank you so much for joining us here. And I hope you are enjoying the training so far. So I'll be right here and I'll be answering your questions in the chat and so on. But Ali will show you all the examples and step-by-step training on how you can do this, okay?